Good morning. Good morning. I'm just sitting out on my porch. It's a rainy, cloudy day, but I'm not feeling cloudy. Thank you to my subscribers for tuning in. Thank you so much for your support. Just thank you. I can't thank you enough for what you're doing to support me. And if you haven't joined the G&G family yet, click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll know every time I upload a video. A few weeks ago, my sister, who lives in Washington State, and her family came to Orlando for a vacation. And then a few of our family members from South Carolina decided that since she was going to be so close to us, that we would join her. Just spend some time with her, because it had been over 3 years since I touched my sister. And I could not, and we could not, let that opportunity go by to spend time with her. And so we all got together in Orlando and had a wonderful time. And so what you're going to see is some highlights from that trip. Yeah.
Right here?
Just leave it there.
Right here, right?
It's the upside down house. It's right there.
Yeah, red.
No, it's clear. It's beige.
Oh. Wait.
Oh, you gotta come back.
That looks real good.
Mm-hmm. What, right there?
Yeah, with the blue top. I'm in a restaurant.
Family day. Family day.
It is cloudy out here, but we're gonna make it. Turtle end that you see.
No, you can stand right here because it's just better.
That's my crew.
Ripley, believe it or not, museum. If the building looks straight to you, then something is not right, because the building is leaning and it looks as though it's going to just fall. Charles Goodwin just came into view.
wanted to see myself. I just never thought we'd see an upside down house. And this is definitely upside down. You know, I didn't notice that they had it like a tree was growing from it.
Oh, it's upside down, so that's...
Yeah, looks like it was flipped. Wonderworks. I guess I get a picture of it from far away so you get the full effect. This area is so pretty. And it's not crowded. And that's my brother behind that tree.
Pushing his buttons. Why did the robot go back to robot school? Because his skills were getting a little rusty. What do you get when you cross a robot and a tractor? A transformer!
Stairs is above our heads. This is so nice.
That we are also celebrating her.
Yes.
It's metal. Someone is turning a quarter of a century. Quarter of a century on the 18th. And since she's not coming home for her birthday, we thought we'd celebrate her now. It's perfect. Can you fix it? Is it perfect, y'all?
No.
Okay. So can we sing Happy Birthday to you? Happy Birthday to you. Happy Birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy Birthday to you. Happy Birthday. And we have a gift for her that she knows nothing of. She knows nothing about it. And I hope you like your gift. I hope you like it.
Open it and see. That's why you have a pressure. So you have to open it and look and see what it is.
Up in here.
because like it's been a while since I've been in school. I've not been working professionally with someone. Okay. So I'm trying to.
One more. Okay.
Thank you for watching and enjoy your day.